Welcome to this tutorial on element-wise division in NumPy. In this video, we'll explore how to divide NumPy arrays element by element. This is a fundamental operation in the NumPy arithmetic series that allows you to perform division across corresponding elements in arrays efficiently. Element-wise division is a process where each element in the first array is divided by the corresponding element in the second array at the same position. For example, if we have array A, B, C divided by array X, Y, Z, the result will be a divided by X, B divided by Y, and C divided by Z. Each position in the first array pairs with the same position in the second array to perform the division operation. Let's start with the basic division operator. First, we import NumPy as NP. Then we create two arrays. Array 1 contains 20, 30, 40, and 50, while array 2 contains 2, 3, 4, and 5. To perform element-wise division, we simply use the / operator between the two arrays and store the result. Finally, we print the result to see the output. The output of our division operation is 10.0, 10.0, 10.0, 10.0. Notice that NumPy returns a float 64 array by default, even though our input arrays were integers. This is because division operations in NumPy produce floating point results to maintain precision and handle any decimal values that might result from the division. Another way to perform element-wise division is by using the NumPy divide function. We import NumPy as NP, then create array 1 with values 100, 200, and 300, and array 2 with values 10, 20, and 30. Instead of using the / operator, we call np.divide, passing array 1 and array 2 as arguments. This function performs the same element-wise division, and we print the result. NumPy also allows you to divide an entire array by a single scalar value. We create an array with values 10, 20, 30, and 40. Then we divide the entire array by 5 using the / operator. This operation divides each element in the array by 5, giving us the output 2.0, 4.0, 6.0, and 8.0. This is useful when you need to scale down all values in an array by the same factor. If you want to perform integer division, which returns only the whole number part without decimals, you can use the double / operator. We create array 1 with values 15, 25, and 35, and array 2 with values 4, 6, and 8. Using the double / operator performs floor division, which divides the numbers and rounds down to the nearest integer. The output is 3, 4, and 4, giving us only the integer quotient without any decimal remainder. Let's review the key points about element-wise division in NumPy. First, arrays must have compatible shapes for element-wise division to work properly. Second, you can use either the / operator or the np.divide function to perform division. Third, division operations return a float 64 array by default to preserve precision. And finally, if you need integer results, use the double / operator for integer floor division. With these techniques, you can efficiently perform division operations on NumPy arrays in your data analysis projects.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.